Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here at Fontana Pharmacy. They're now finished, they're now open. I did a video earlier when they were probably 2 months from opening. So they're now open. So far there's a Starbucks. This is gonna be a drive-through. Not sure if it's Popeyes gonna be here in terms of the fast food option. But this is the new Fontana Pharmacy and Complex on Waterloo Road. So out here we have the road right here. Then this is the intersection at Waterloo and the Canadian Embassy. It's very clean. Design is very new. Gardening is good as well. Yeah, so it's a new building, so you have a fresh look. We have an exit gate here. Not sure if they'll use it. We have NTB ATM. And the pharmacy itself is open. I guess probably just take a look inside the pharmacy. So yeah, the new Fontana Pharmacy. What do you guys think? Lots of parking. Any comments, any feedback, suggestions? And again, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more content. Remember to like and comment and share the video as well. So they still have some tidying up work doing, like the guardhouse, as you can see. And this is the exit / entrance on Waterloo heading to Mega Mart. So as I mentioned, there is a Starbucks here. So not yet fully opened. This is just a sneak peek. Alright guys, so I did some more checks. They're not yet fully open to the public. Today is Saturday, September 28th. So it's just invited guests only. Starbucks is still under construction. But yeah, we were able to go in just for you guys to see some first look. You have a upstairs section as well. Very modern, very clean. But yeah, I guess you guys will eventually pass by. So new Fontana Pharmacy, first look. Not fully open. Not sure of their opening date. Alright, this is where I end the video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and definitely leave your comments.